With the increased costs of energy, many folks are concerned about reducing the energy consumption of their largest appliance in their home, and that is their air conditioner. Believe it or not, you can get completely free heating and air conditioning with the Airspool mini split. In fact, this unit right behind me is running as we speak. It's not even plugged into grid power, and we're getting full blast cold air into our garage, which we'll show you in just a minute. So in this video, we're going to show you what sets the Airspool unit apart from the rest, such as EG4 or other solar mini splits, and we're going to show you how easy this installation is, something that really sets them apart from their competition. So with that, let's jump right into it. All right, so here's our Airspool functioning as we speak. We did plug this in, we're going to do a test with our decibel meter, and I just wanted to make sure it was plugged into grid to give you an accurate reading on the decibel count. But I just want to kind of show you the unit. So this has been here for 2 years, running every single summer, running every single winter to cool no matter what time of year it is, as long as the sun is out. We have partly cloudy skies today, so it's going to fluctuate, but the app for this is amazing. So I just wanted to show you how this is laid out. So when you get this out of the box, this comes pre-spooled in the quick and easy kit, which makes it so easy. So over here on this side, the lines are already connected. This cover is already put on. So literally all you have to do is unspool it, and then I'll do a B-roll right here showing this. So there's just a hand tightened connection, something that separates this from the EG4 or any others. You don't have to have any tools to connect it. All you do is hand tighten it and it's good to go. 0 leaks in 2 years. We have this nice cover over mine. And the other cool parts about this is that it has a twist lock for communications, so there's no fiddling with anything under this panel as far as making connections in here. You literally just twist this and that is it. Then you have your solar input there and your solar disconnect, and these just go up to our solar panels up on the roof. Now these are from Airspool, and one thing I learned the hard way is I tried to put these up with 2x4s, and that was not a good idea. I talked to Airspool. They said these are designed for 180 degree temperatures in Las Vegas and other hot areas, and you can mount them straight to the roof. You just put a dab of silicone, attach it, and it's good to go. So I might rearrange that at some point, but at any rate, they're plugged right into our unit, and this will always prioritize solar. So the other thing that's really cool is you don't have to have it plugged in. I could unplug that right now and this unit would continue to run, but it's totally variable speeds. But we're going to show you in just a second how cold the air is coming out. Currently it's 88 with a high of 89 today, so it's quite warm. But for starters, I just want to show you the decibel count. We're about 4 feet away from the unit here, so let's check it out. So about 54 decibels. And just for reference, this is so much quieter than, say, a traditional condenser like that one. But this is really quiet. You could have this in a space where you're chit-chatting and it's not going to affect a normal conversation. So let's hop inside and show you the indoor unit, what's coming out of it, and then the app. All right, so we're here in the garage, and this is our indoor unit. And currently, when I first got in here, it was like 80 degrees. We've already brought this down 10 degrees in a very short period of time. But check this out. We are blowing 41 degree air out of this thing. So going from 70, 60, 50, 40, that's a 30 degree split from the return temperature to how much we're getting out of the supply. Really awesome cooling capacity. Not to mention that this is a 22 SEER unit, so extremely efficient. And something I might add is a lot of folks might be interested in purchasing this with the intent to go to solar in the future, but you don't have to put solar on this. You can run this just as a regular mini split off of grid power, no problem. You'll notice up here on the right, we have 2 little icons. The top is for your grid power and the bottom is solar. So until you have solar hooked up, this will not illuminate. It'll just show grid. Or if I unplug it right now, this will go away and we'll just see a little solar symbol right there. Now, just for reference, I'm going to show you the decibel count here on the indoor unit. As you can see, we're about 42 decibels, so whisper quiet on this guy. Now, as far as the inside, very easy maintenance. So you just pop this front cover up and it will stay by itself. And all we do is from time to time, we pull this off and clean it. Mine, I've cleaned maybe once every 6 months, but it really just depends on how dirty the area is that you have this unit. But they really don't require much maintenance at all. Just cleaning, you know, these screens as well as cleaning the outside from time to time, and that's it. Now, one of the best parts is being able to watch this in real time. So right now we're spitting out 43-degree air, and it is all off of the sun. We're pulling 820 watts from the sun, 0 watts AC. As soon as we get a little bit of shade coverage, hopefully that'll happen while I'm filming this, it'll show a little bit of AC input. I was watching this earlier and we had about 200 watts of AC and 600 when I was showing the cloud coverage, but now it's full sun. It's 3 o'clock right now and we're getting 820 watts of solar. So in the app, we can adjust heating, cooling, our fan speed. We have a bunch of different settings in the app. We can set a schedule. Of course, we can adjust the temperature and real time. It will adjust up there. So really cool app. And I just love the feature that it shows the solar and the AC actively. So you can watch that. And then total energy savings in watt hours. That's a really cool feature as well. Okay, so there we go. We're now pulling 19 watts. Maybe there's a little bit of cloud coverage that just popped up. So we're pulling a little bit of additional wattage there, but extremely minimal. As long as you have enough solar, it's always going to prioritize solar. And then as a last resort, it will go over to AC power. Now, something I want to add is the Quick and Easy kit also comes with every tool that you need to install this. So it comes with a big 3-inch drill bit, so you can run your line set through the wall. It comes with a Phillips bit for attaching other things like the back plate. We mentioned the line set doesn't even require any tools to install that. So everything you need, and you can install this in about 5 minutes, which is completely epic. I was blown away with how easy this kit was to install. Now, a couple other things that Airspool does that really separates them from the competition is, number one, their customer service and warranty. So their warranty involves a 1-year buy and try guarantee. So if you put this unit in and for whatever reason you don't like it, you can ship it back completely free. They'll send you a shipping label and everything, and you can ship it back completely free of charge within that year. Then in addition to that, they have a 5-year guarantee that this unit will continue running. And the reason they do this is because they test each and every one of these units in their warehouse before they send it off. Whereas a lot of the competitors are coming directly from China, they might be damaged in shipping. This is not the case with Airspool. They really take their time in making sure that each of these units is working as it should. The other thing is that Airspool now offers custom line sets. So depending on what the length of your line set is, being as it's a DIY installation, this is going to make that process a whole lot easier. You can go all the way up to 49 total feet in length with the mini split system by Airspool. So that's an added bonus to Airspool over the others. Now, we talked about the solar panels up on my roof for a minute and how I kind of did that incorrectly. These are designed, however, for any of you that are wondering, for being mounted directly on a roof. A lot of people will say you have to have an air gap, and that's part of the reason why I did those 2x4s in the first place. But these are designed for 185 degrees as well as a 20-year life expectancy. So they're designed to be mounted directly on the roof, no problem. And it's backed up by that 5-year warranty as well. Now, lastly, you're probably wondering about price point. So the 12,000 BTU Quick and Easy kit with a 10-foot line set is $19.95. So it is going to be a little bit more than some of the competition, but in my opinion, the fact that they test each of these units, that they install the Quick and Easy kit, I think that is money well spent. And in addition to that, if you use my code DIYHVAC, you can get an additional $130 off your order. They have different size and configuration units, so make sure and check out shop.airspool.com. And again, my discount code is DIYHVAC. Well, guys, to have 100% free energy, heating and cooling from the sun is epic, and I highly recommend Airspool. So make sure and check them out. And if you want to see the full installation video of my Airspool Quick and Easy kit and just how easy this was, you can find that full installation video right there. And until next time, you guys be safe. Later.